All the Muslims all over the world, they'll be looking for the crescent. All right? They'll be looking for the crescent because it's a sign. And all throughout the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us, pay attention to His signs. Look at His signs. And really what's happening is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us to witness His creative ability. Right? If you have on a watch, right, especially by an Apple Watch or a Samsung watch, you look at these devices, you have an understanding of how creative the people who are in the labs that are creating these things, how creative they must be. And so this is what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking us to do. He's asking us to look out. أَفَلَا يَنْظُرُونَ إِلَى الْإِبِلِ كَيْفَ خُلِقَتْ. Right? Don't you see the ibili, the camel? كَيْفَ خُلِقَتْ. How it was created. Allah is asking you to look. أَفَلَا يَنْظُرُونَ. Look. Pay attention. And so this is the secret of looking for the crescent. So you can witness Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's creative ability that every month, there's something that's telling you the time. And no matter where you are in the world, you have access to it. All right? Imam al-Hakim, one of the great muhaddith, he said that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that the best of Allah's servants are those who watch the sun, they watch the moon, they watch the shadows in order to remember Allah. So it's like a big deal. I know we have our clocks and we have our watches and we don't look at the shadows and anything like that anymore, but it's just a lost sunnah, really. It's a lost sunnah. So this is just as Ramadan is coming in, this is like one of the things that we should be doing. Do they have like a moon watch committee here? Crazy? Yeah, I mean, that like you should take it on, man. Just take it on. Be like, okay, the young professionals, we're going to do this. Let's go do it. Right? Because that like when you witness that, there's something that happens to us, right? This is also known as the blessed month. This is a month of blessings. And what do we mean by the blessed month? That, Baraka is what? Spiritual energy, positive spiritual energy. All right? Meaning that if you have a little bit of a something, you have a little bit of water, but it is accompanied by Baraka, it will go further than normal. Right? This is Baraka. This is our understanding of Baraka. If you have Baraka in anything, in your money, in your time, right? It will go further because of that positive spiritual blessing that is in that thing. And this is what Ramadan is all about. There's spiritual blessing in Ramadan that should carry you not only through the month, but through the year.